Welcome to MYGOMINDS. In this video, we will discuss about foreign key constraint. Basically, what is foreign key? Foreign key is used to establish a relationship between two tables. There must be two tables to establish a foreign key. There must be at least two tables to establish a foreign key. Let us discuss foreign key in more detail. Foreign key constraint will provide relationship between two tables. We can say that the primary key of a parent table will be the foreign key in child table. Let us take an example and discuss it. Consider there is a department table and a student table. There is no student without department. So here department table becomes parent and student table becomes child. Now, department table has D number and D name columns and student table has S number, S name as columns. There is a common column D number which becomes foreign key in student table. D number in department table is primary key, S number in student table is primary key and D number in student table is foreign key because D number actually belongs to the department table and there is a relation between the department table and student table with the column D number. Now D number in student table acts as foreign key. Foreign key will allow duplicate values and foreign key will allow null values. Unlike primary key, foreign key can be applied for more than one column on a single table. Foreign key is also called as referential integrity constraint. We can also say that we cannot insert the values in foreign key column if the value does not exist in primary key column. And if you want to delete the value from primary key column, first we need to delete it in the foreign key column. Let us discuss this with an example in detail later in this video. The syntax for foreign key constraint is create table name, column name data type, foreign key column name, references primary key table name of column name in the primary key table. Example is, there are two tables which are create table department and create table student. In create table department, D number int primary key where D number is primary key and D name varchar of 50. In student table, S number in primary key, which is S number is primary key, S name varchar of 50, D number int and D number acts as foreign key in the student table. So we give foreign key of D number references department is the parent table of D number is the column name in the parent table. Now let us see this example in the MySQL workbench. Firstly, we need to use the database before executing any command. Next, we need to create a table. Next, we need to create a parent table, which is department. Create table DEPT D number int, which is a primary key, D name varchar of 50. Select the line and execute it. We can see the green tick here, that is department table is successfully created. Now we'll create the student table with a foreign key constraint. Create table student, S number int primary key, S name varchar of 50 and D number int. Here for D number, we need to specify it as foreign key. We can do that by giving foreign key of D number, references, child table's name, that is DEPT, parent table's name, that is DEPT, of the column which is primary key, that is D number, close the bracket. This is the syntax to create the child table with a foreign key constraint. Select the command and execute it. We have successfully created student table with S number giving primary key constraint and for D number giving foreign key constraint. Now let us see the structure of the department table and the structure of student table for our clear understanding. By using describe DEPT, select the line and execute it. We can see that D number has primary key, so the key column has PRI for D number column, and primary key does not allow null values, so there is no in the null column. Let us see the structure of student table. Select the line and execute it. We can see that S number is primary key, so key column is PRI for S number, and primary key does not allow null values, so there is no in the null column, whereas D number acts as foreign key student table, so key is represented as MUL and foreign key allows null values and it also allows duplicate values, so there is yes in the null column. We also said we can apply more than one foreign key in a table. Now we told that we cannot insert the values in foreign key column if values does not exist in primary key column. So let us see that in detail. Let us try inserting into department table values 1, ECE and 2, CSE. Execute the line. And we will insert into student table and we will insert some values in the student table which are present only in the department table. That means we can only give 101 some name Anil. For D number column values, we cannot give the numbers except 1 and 2. We can only give 1 and 2 because only 1 and 2 are present in the parent table, which is department table. If we give other numbers like 3 and 4, an error is occurred because those values does not exist in the parent table. Execute the line. It is successfully executed. If we give 3 in the D number column of the student table, it does not get executed and it shows an error because 3 does not exist in the parent table. Let me show that also with an example. Here, when we given 3 in the D number column in the student table, an error is occurred because 3 is not in the Here we give 1 or 2 and 3 here. Now let us execute it. It does not get executed because a foreign key constraint is applied on the D number of the student table and 3 is not present in the parent table values. So 1 or 2 Anil 3 cannot be inserted into the student table. Now let us try deleting the values from the department table. We also told that if we want to delete the value from the primary key column, first we need to delete the foreign key values. Here we will select the student table to know which values are present in it. Select star from student and execute it. Here we can only see 101, Anil and 1. We have the values 101, Anil and 1. The D number only 1 is used in the D number column from the department table. 2 is not used. So we can say that we can delete 2 from the department table, but we cannot delete 1 ECE from the department table because 1 is used by the student table. So let me show you that 1 can't be deleted from the department table. Delete from table name, which is department, where D number equals to 1. This cannot be deleted because 1 is used by the student table. As I told you, there is an error because it cannot delete or a parent row foreign key constraint fails. That means 1 is used by the student table, but we can delete 2 CSE because 2 is not used by the department table. Because 2 is not used by the student table. So let us try executing this line. This is successfully executed. Delete from department where D number equals to 2. In this way, we apply foreign key and insert values in the foreign key tables. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe MyGoMind. Catch you later in the next video.